Eagles. How is everybody doing? It's Mother Eagle here. I hope you're doing well. I have some exciting news. Well, on November 8th, we are having the book launch of Live Like a King Without Being Broke. It's a simple guide to your financial victory. So if you need tickets to attend the launch, I'll leave the link. Make sure to get a ticket because we have limited space available. Anyway, today I wanted to talk about purpose. And I wanted to give an expanded version of what purpose is, what it means. Because as the years go by, it feels like the meaning of purpose gets expanded, at least in my life, because most people get stuck thinking that purpose has to be one thing. I have to be doing this one thing, doing it this one way. But let's come from a place of growth and evolving. We are human beings that have unlimited potential. So we are going to be changing and growing. Yes, you may be able to do a certain thing a certain way, but as you grow and evolve and find and learn new things, the expression of that purpose is going to change. The way you present yourself in the world, the way you serve others will change. And the reason I'm bringing up this is so that you don't remain stuck if you don't know what you're supposed to do in this season. One thing that has been helping me over the years is following my bliss. Whatever brings the most joy, that is when your heart sings and your soul is directing you to the right place. So whatever feels right in that season, that's what you do. You follow the trail. It's like breadcrumbs. You follow them day by day, month by month, year by month. And before you know it, you will have carved yourself out a path that is authentic to you, the way you were built, with your gifts and talents, with your authenticity, with all the experiences you've gained through life. Because some things won't be revealed to you until you've matured to a certain level. It's like one layer unveils itself. Once you master that layer, the next door opens and that layer unveils itself. Sometimes you have to relearn some things. Sometimes you have to let go of some things in order to allow the new in. So your sensitivity is required. You should know that it's time to let go of something and the season is gone. Then you should be open to the new thing. Because some of the new things may require even learning a new skill. You may have gone years without ever going back to school. All of a sudden, you have this urge to learn to go and attend a class for something new. That should be okay. Refuse to be stuck in a box, in a season, and allow yourself to grow and evolve, and allow your purpose to take expression in all these varieties. For example, you all know I'm a teacher. I can teach anything, right? But my teaching style takes different forms. Like now, I'm publishing the book. That is going to be a written form. I'm here on video. It's a different form. It's all teaching, but this is more authentic to me, you see. If I was tied up in a box, I would have never thought to be on video, because originally I was a shy person who never wanted to be on video. I had never considered myself a writer, but I knew I loved words. I thought I just loved other people's words. I didn't know I would use my words to express myself in actual written, published form. You see where I'm going with this? So today, what is the plan of action? The plan of action is see where you were, evaluate what needs to go, what needs to come in, and allow yourself the freedom to evolve and grow. Even though you don't have all the answers will come, because some doors will only open when you've reached a certain level. Believe me, if God told us early enough how big the gift is that he has put in you, you would totally refuse it, because the gift comes with responsibility. It comes with the responsibility makes you become diligent, resilient, being able to jump and come out of valleys in order to get to the top. And in order to get to the next mountain, you go through another valley, you know, to get to the higher mountain. So if he had told us all the hoops you jump through to get to where your heart's desires are, chances are we may say no, we don't want to do it. But it's worth it. So stay on track. You follow the bliss, whatever makes your heart sing, follow it step by step, the breadcrumbs, and you'll get to the mark of your highest calling, guaranteed. These are God things. There is divine timing. It's already predestined. So have an expanded version of what purpose is. As a reminder, make sure to get your ticket. We have limited space, and proof of registration will be required at the door in order to attend the launch. Otherwise, I love you guys. Share these videos if they are helping you. Tell all your friends, and I'm looking forward to meeting you November 8th. Oh yes, it will be at Katikati. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.